Implementing advanced predictive econometrics within agentic orchestration represents the definitive strategy for enterprise leaders leveraging frontier model capabilities to optimize resource allocation across highly complex global computational network infrastructures today. Mastering this sophisticated financial logic empowers modern organizations to systematically govern volatile cloud expenditures while deploying highly autonomous systems across distributed corporate network architectures with absolute efficiency and precision continuously. Navigating these complex economic variables requires advanced model orchestration methodologies, ensuring that massive automated workflows remain strictly bound within optimized budgetary parameters during continuous enterprise software operations executed worldwide securely. We decode the foundational principles of token forecasting and structural pricing models necessary to establish a highly resilient neural architecture, capable of scaling efficiently without incurring catastrophic computational overhead globally. Understanding these dynamic valuation frameworks translates directly into unprecedented market superiority, allowing visionary technology executives to drastically reduce infrastructural expenditures while simultaneously maximizing overall algorithmic output quality consistently. This comprehensive integration strategy fundamentally secures your competitive advantage by completely aligning advanced artificial intelligence deployments with rigorous financial compliance mandates, dictating modern sustainable corporate governance paradigms internationally. Leading research consortiums across Silicon Valley currently pioneer sophisticated econometric tracking systems designed specifically to forecast token consumption rates across expansive decentralized compute networks supporting intensive institutional applications globally. Simultaneously, brilliant engineers at the Vector Institute meticulously map dynamic algorithmic behaviors to uncover hidden financial correlations, driving optimized resource distribution models within highly complex North American commercial deployments today. European regulatory agencies enforcing strict compliance frameworks mandate inherently transparent computational expenditure tracking, ensuring all sovereign foundational models operate efficiently while respecting rigorous continental data sovereignty legislation continuously everywhere. Pioneering academic teams operating within Germany actively unravel the underlying mathematical variables governing deep learning economics to construct verifiable financial paradigms, supporting trusted autonomous deployment capabilities across international markets. Strategic technology hubs throughout the Asian commercial region focus relentlessly upon creating highly sophisticated intelligent ecosystems designed specifically to synchronize disparate computational resources into single cohesive operational business substrates. These specialized international initiatives accelerate the creation of localized cloud valuation protocols, ensuring bespoke indigenous models efficiently process nuanced data variations, while maintaining strict financial efficiency standards absolutely always. Pioneering enterprises throughout emerging economies leverage these unified cost prediction frameworks to establish independent digital infrastructures explicitly designed to shield domestic markets from wildly unpredictable global computational inflation metrics. Synthesizing these diverse global perspectives provides organizations with a definitive strategic framework required to master the intricate financial dynamics defining modern artificial intelligence implementation strategies within highly complex international markets. Applying rigorous statistical forecasting fundamentally transforms our baseline understanding regarding how complex artificial intelligence systems will eventually consume highly expensive token resources throughout incredibly lengthy automated enterprise task executions. Instead of blindly allocating massive computational budgets, we must utilize advanced econometric modeling to dynamically project multidimensional demand curves governing sophisticated semantic reasoning processes across varied commercial technological platforms continuously. Analyzing historical execution trajectories enables forward-thinking enterprise architects to effectively predict emergent cognitive behaviors and systematically optimize foundational configurations prior to initiating resource-intensive commercial software integration initiatives securely. This profound statistical visibility grants software engineers unprecedented diagnostic capabilities, allowing them to proactively isolate precise computational inefficiencies and surgically refine algorithmic pathways without requiring exhaustive network diagnostic operational cycles. Recognizing specific consumption patterns within the underlying neural architecture reveals critical usage clusters where specific knowledge converges, demanding highly specialized computational bandwidth crucial for advanced problem resolution methodologies. Constantly, organizations leveraging these predictive frameworks secure a profound strategic advantage because they understand exactly how abstract conceptual inputs transition into definitive financial liabilities across increasingly complex decentralized cloud computing environments. Evaluating multidimensional historical variances during standard processing cycles immediately identifies potential operational overruns, allowing technical teams to implement preemptive structural corrections before minor systemic errors escalate into substantial financial losses. Establishing an authoritative econometric baseline fundamentally guarantees that dynamic enterprise applications will consistently deliver highly accurate, actionable intelligence despite processing continuously fluctuating variables within unpredictable modern global economic landscapes. Implementing advanced pricing methodologies provides a revolutionary analytical mechanism allowing organizations to accurately estimate the true underlying computational cost of executing highly complex automated objectives across disparate digital providers. This sophisticated internal valuation strategy completely bypasses superficial retail pricing structures by assigning an objective economic metric reflecting the actual infrastructural burden generated during sustained autonomous systemic reasoning processes continuously. Extrapolating structural cost variations enables proactive financial management professionals to reliably forecast detrimental expenditure deviations, effectively preventing hazardous budget depletion prior to public deployment within commercial language interfaces globally. Tracking anomalous high-dimensional expenditure trajectories serves as a sophisticated early warning system that instinctively flags potentially inefficient algorithmic correlations, violating stringent corporate financial standards and mandated regulatory compliance frameworks simultaneously. Security architectures governed by strict defensive principles utilize these econometric maps to construct robust structural guardrails, ensuring comprehensive protection against unintentional resource exploitation within highly integrated enterprise network systems. By calculating precise financial boundary demarcations, engineers successfully establish impenetrable operational perimeters that automatically resolve conceptual inefficiencies before they cascade into catastrophic software malfunctions, jeopardizing critical institutional digital infrastructure integrity. Evaluating latency patterns through advanced economic analysis highlights vulnerable cognitive blind spots requiring immediate financial remediation to preserve functional continuity during sustained periods of elevated computational stress across decentralized mainframes. Deploying comprehensive pricing telemetry guarantees that artificial decision-making processes remain strictly confined within predefined logical parameters explicitly designed to support resilient corporate workflows and secure automated administrative management operations continuously. Shifting our essential perspective from purely technical architecture toward sophisticated financial logic permanently changes enterprise capability by granting administrators direct control over internal mathematical structures driving overall systematic cloud expenditures. Engineers can now surgically manipulate specific computational configurations to seamlessly inject highly specialized economic expertise directly into the foundational framework, augmenting overall corporate reasoning capabilities instantaneously without architectural disruption. This precise targeted modification methodology allows compliance officers to embed non-negotiable financial constraints straight into the fundamental topology, guaranteeing absolutely standardized resource utilization across every decentralized consumer application globally. Organizations no longer endure massive computational expenses when correcting factual inaccuracies because financial logic surgically removes obsolete conceptual nodes while simultaneously introducing refreshed operational data through incredibly efficient recalibration continuously. Mastering these microscopic structural adjustments ensures that proprietary business intelligence remains perfectly aligned with rapidly shifting market dynamics, driving unparalleled agility within intensely competitive modern digital commercial enterprise ecosystems today. Technicians utilizing advanced econometric manipulation tools seamlessly eliminate inefficient algorithmic biases embedded deeply within historical datasets, fostering completely equitable processing. Frameworks mandated by progressive international corporate governance regulations continuously. Direct financial interaction fundamentally democratizes profound structural customization, enabling nimble organizations to deploy bespoke cognitive solutions that rival monolithic legacy frameworks without necessitating extravagant preliminary hardware infrastructure capital investments. Embracing this crucial paradigm shift positions your enterprise squarely at the forefront of modern technological innovation, translating theoretical mathematical concepts into highly pragmatic commercial solutions, decisively outperforming conventional outdated paradigms. Fascinating commercial studies suggest global enterprise networks intuitively navigate multidimensional cloud spaces utilizing commodity trading mechanisms remarkably similar to those governing optimized traditional resource markets within physical trading environments today. Recognizing this profound economic parallel indicates that the underlying geometry of compute represents a universal mathematical blueprint defining the fundamental emergence of dynamic pricing across sophisticated international technological substrates continuously. Leveraging these dynamic commodity principles empowers corporate architects to design incredibly efficient cognitive algorithms that organically adapt to unprecedented challenges, mirroring market resilience while maintaining rigorous computational precision. Absolutely always. By deeply studying sophisticated financial trading methodologies, researchers discover innovative pathways to exponentially enhance artificial resource allocation, transforming brittle automated protocols into highly fluid, adaptable commercial intelligence frameworks globally today. This extraordinary synthesis of technology and economics definitively proves that true machine comprehension relies entirely upon constructing an elegant internal structural representation, balancing vast statistical correlations with pure financial cost. Organizations embracing this universal commodity architecture systematically cultivate superior digital workforces capable of executing nuanced contextual reasoning previously restricted exclusively to highly experienced human professionals navigating complex modern enterprise scenarios. Understanding these shared foundational laws enables visionary leadership teams to seamlessly orchestrate profound technological transformation, ensuring that integrated software ecosystems naturally complement corporate financial strategy instead of mechanically obstructing it. Ultimately, this economic framework transcends mere programming, delivering a holistic operational paradigm that forever redefines our collective approach toward building sustainably intelligent infrastructure across the entire global economic spectrum today. Consider a leading multinational financial institution leveraging complex vector trajectory mapping to dynamically monitor highly sophisticated predictive risk assessment algorithms operating within severely volatile decentralized global equity markets continuously today. When unprecedented economic fluctuations initiate unpredictable geometric distortions within the central processing environment, automated defensive mechanisms instantly flag potential anomalous resource consumption before any erroneous automated trading decisions ever manifest. Instead of entirely retraining the underlying predictive engine, financial engineers utilize precise shadow pricing to surgically inject updated regulatory constraints directly into the foundational conceptual framework, preserving overall operational continuity. This targeted algorithmic manipulation immediately recalibrates the analytical pathways, ensuring that subsequent corporate investment strategies remain fundamentally sound while strictly adhering to newly implemented international financial governance mandates completely automatically. Simultaneously, interdisciplinary researchers compare these optimized algorithmic navigation processes against verified human economic models, uncovering unprecedented workflow efficiencies that significantly enhance collaborative enterprise productivity across interconnected global institutional corporate departments. By deeply acknowledging these shared economic foundations, operational leadership teams rapidly cultivate an incredibly synergistic workplace where synthetic intelligence naturally amplifies specialized human analytical capabilities, producing superior commercial market outcomes. The seamless integration strategy decisively mitigates extensive operational downtime, ensuring unbroken financial service delivery while establishing highly resilient infrastructure capable of withstanding severe digital volatility, defining modern competitive commercial markets. Organizations successfully executing this strategic synthesis effectively secure a tremendous market advantage, effortlessly outmaneuvering traditional competitors shackled by slow, obsolete forecasting methodologies and inflexible monolithic legacy corporate software architectures. Continuously mastering practical cost tracking paired with precise economic structural modification unequivocally remains the definitive strategic differentiator for achieving sustained institutional resilience throughout our complex artificial intelligence evolution globally everywhere today. Implementing these profound econometric insights immediately delivers measurable operational efficiency, drastically reducing computational expenditure while simultaneously maximizing the verifiable accuracy. Governing critical enterprise decision frameworks deployed across multinational corporate divisions. Visionary executives embracing structured financial orchestration effectively future-proof their foundational digital assets, establishing comprehensive institutional agility required to aggressively capitalize upon emerging technological breakthroughs, characterizing the relentless modern innovation trajectory. Developing a corporate philosophy centered around universal economic efficiency naturally fosters unprecedented collaborative workflows, ensuring your intellectual property continuously adapts without suffering catastrophic structural degradation during rapid, complex systemic scaling. The convergence of advanced market understanding and highly optimized synthetic architecture definitively constructs an impregnable strategic foundation, enabling ambitious enterprise leaders to dominate tomorrow's decentralized global economic technological business landscape. Turn knowledge into your greatest asset by applying these strategic frameworks today and lead the global innovation era. We walk the talk on digital trust. This content is 100% certified. Channel powered by generative AI architecture.